Alright, hey guys, it's right there. Alright guys, Jet's gonna switch to app in a second, but this is day one of us trying to beat sewers. I'm actually, well, he's gonna beat the guy with the light because I can't put that in my back.
Alright, what's up? You didn't get me a fan.
It's right there.
I don't want to be the guy with the light. How about you just get 2 lights?
Okay, that's fine. You can have other thing.
Actually, I'm gonna keep a grappler just in case. Y'all can see I'm running low on nuts. Use the money gun.
Yeah, he got scammed earlier. That's what
he scammed. I thought I was giving to the poor because he said when I sprayed it at him it gave me stuff, but it doesn't.
Turns out he lost stuff. Alright, Jed, do you have 2 fans? Alright, let's go!
This is day 1, by the way.
Yeah, that's what I said.
Oh shoot, I'm stuck. Oh shoot. Take off your umbrella. That's what's in the way for you.
I don't think so. Alright, Chad, though, I am gonna take my umbrella off, though. I don't like it.
I dropped it at the ends to get down
right here. Okay, guys, so we have to avoid that stupid monster that you got jumped by. You got flashbanged earlier. Where do we go? Where did we go last time?
This way. Help me! Becky, he went away. Becky, he went away. He went away. He went away. Like, actually, he went away. Just don't turn that corner in your coat.
Then how am I supposed to get you?
I'm not at the corner.
Your boss.
1, 2, 3, my baby don't mess around because she loves me so, and this I know for sure.
Oh shit. Oh, Jet. I don't know what happened. My other fans on my back.
Alright, let's go. I don't know my other family. It's in the zone.
Yeah. How are we supposed to go? He's like right around that corner. I didn't grab my gun because you said to get double light. Dead end. Of course it is. I don't know what we're supposed to do.
Don't take your fan. It's not helpful.
It is. You can go to the ceiling. That's like the best part. I was trying to go to the ceiling because grapplers don't work down here. How are we supposed to get past this guy?
Let me do something really quick.
Oh yeah, you brought bombs.
Again!
Jet, don't waste that. We can make him freeze.
I already spit him. Oh shoot, I stopped him.
Jet.
Here, I have 1 left.
Yeah. Can you not waste that one? I'm trying to get past this.
Alright, let's go.
Okay, 1 minute. How did you?
He walked away, and I just... I was telling you to stay down here.
Oh, well, I didn't get out, obviously.
Listen.
What is this? It's a freaking leech? It's like literally a freaking leech. Is it right there?
I don't know.
It's right there. If you don't fully go around. If you don't fully go around that corner,
Stop
you can see.
bringing things over here.
Yo, I got this. I messed it up.
No, he's frozen. He's frozen.
Okay. Oh, shit, that's a bomb! Is that? Oh.
Why you don't move?
I was in the air, I was perfectly fine. I just like killed myself on whatever the hell that thing was. Shit. Okay, let's go. Chat, are we beating sewers day 1? Chat, I think we're beating sewers day 1. Okay, Jet.
Becky, I forgot my backpack and here's the disc.
I already have that disc.
Alright, well I'm leaving my fan behind.
Well, now you need it, because I'm pretty sure there's a mimic in here.
We're fine.
Oh, never mind.
This way.
Wait, is there more stuff?
No.
We beat sewers day 1! Jet, I'm stuck. Yeah, baby! You know what? I think Arthi, so probably go on something, I guess. The YouTube channel probably, depending on how long this is.
Bye, that's it.